How much does it cost to rent a U-Haul?
Just $19.95 a day, right?
Well, kinda. Many of their trucks have a $19.95 price tag printed on the side of the vehicle. And it's partially true. Let me break it down for you. The $20 per day rate applies to in-town rentals, meaning local moves only, and it only applies to their 3 smallest vehicles: the van, the pickup truck, and the 10-foot moving truck. Larger vehicles go up to $39.95 for the day. That's still a pretty sweet price, but that's just the flat rental fee. It doesn't account for other costs like insurance, fuel, environmental fees, taxes, potential costs for cleaning, tolls, parking, damage, and finally,
mileage.
Altogether, a very bare-bones local U-Haul rental starts around $50 before mileage and gas fees are added on. But the price will go up. For gasoline fees, you need to refuel the truck before returning it. If the gasoline gauge is lower than the refill line, U-Haul will charge you for the cost of the gas plus a convenience fee. Their insurance is optional. It typically costs about $14 to $28 depending on the level of coverage you choose. Here's a major pro tip. We've done hundreds of thousands of moves, and it's recommended to purchase at least the damage waiver and supplemental liability insurance, at minimum. Those are included with the Safe Move Pro plan for $28. I know it's an extra cost, but it's worth it. If you return the truck with a mess inside, you may also be charged a $25 cleaning fee. It'll also cost extra to rent moving equipment through the U-Haul store, like boxes, padlocks, or furniture pads. But we linked some affordable options below for you. And lastly, there are costs for the mileage you drive, which can vary greatly depending on location and date. You can check out our other video to find out how much you'll end up paying in mileage fees with your U-Haul truck. If this was helpful, give this video a like. And if you're looking for the best, most affordable movers near you, check out the link below for hireahelper.com.